tips for descriptive essay. So देखो, if you are attempting descriptive essay, you have to answer questions like what, how the scenario was, what were the five senses that you could feel, what you saw. If there is anything that is related to taste, for example, you are told to describe a street in your city which is famous for its street food, then you must mention some kind of a taste that when you eat this particular delicacy you can taste this, and that should be, in a style. If you want to know it in detail exactly how, you can watch my full video where I have described it in detail. But basically you need to have certain kind of vocabulary, okay, which would make a difference. You cannot just simply write that the food was tasting good. You need to write like, for example, every delicacy was a symbol of happiness, or maybe something like the food tasted like a warm hug on a winter afternoon. Okay, so इस तरीके से you have to make things a little creative. Maybe not every time, but sometimes if you are writing descriptive, I would highly recommend to make your language in such a way that the examiner, when he's reading, he's impressed by the expressions that you have basically added to it and the kind of imagination, vocabulary and creativity you have used. Do not write plain language, okay? Then basically you need to make sure that you use at least some figures of speech. देखो, these are not mandatory that you need to use, but I am telling that these are the things that I have used in my own essay, so it would be better if you use these things to make your essay look more impressive, ठीक है? So that is why I am telling you, because I used all these things in my board exam. These are the main things that you need to follow. Now there are certain things else, it might depend completely on you, on your style, that how you are writing it. You can go to my channel where I've uploaded a detailed video with example on this topic. Thank you for watching.